everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And so आज पनि म फेरि नयाँ crop top बनाउँदैछु. This is for summer and this is my favorite color. So आज म चाहिँ के बनाउँदैछु भन्दाखेरि Hatler top, which is very short type or looking very cute. So I'm going to start from this, and this is a single crochet, and then I make it for my hip like this. So I have to make 100 or something, 102, which is fit for my hip. Okay. So now it's fit for my stomach, and I'm going to join this two parts like this, stretchable, and I'm going to joining like this. This 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will just take the like this stretcher. So now I'm going to make body part. So body part को लागि चाहिँ मैले increase गरेर जानुपर्छ चेनहरु like this. यहाँबाट चेस्टसम्म अनि त्यसपछि अर्कै So now I'm going to make body part. So body part को लागि चाहिँ मैले increase गरेर जानुपर्छ चेनहरु like this. यहाँबाट चेस्टसम्म अनि त्यसपछि अर्कै त्यसपछि I have to decrease. Okay, like this. So मैले चाहिँ like यसदेखि तलसम्मको लागि बनाएँ, and with the double crochet. यो चाहिँ belly part हो, and then this is chest part. अनि अहिले म चाहिँ next chest part बनाउँदैछु यहाँबाट. This is chest part, and I'm making this one like this, and I'm decreasing. डिक्रिज चाहिँ कसरी गर्ने भनेर सोच्नु भएको होला. सो डिक्रिज गर्नको लागि चाहिँ फर्स्ट अफ अल तीनटा चेन लिने, and then we have to do like this and put here and make double crochet and remaining 2, and again put double crochet and remaining 4, and then do like this 2, 2 and 2. This is a decrease. Again double crochet. So अहिले चाहिँ म एन्डिङ पार्टतिर आइरहेको छु and I'm making this design in front of chest. So यो डिजाइन चाहिँ एकदमै राम्रो देखिन्छ नहुँदा. So मेरो सकिनु आँट्यो लगभग थोरै बाँकी छ यो प्रोजेक्ट सकिनलाई. My design nicely too. So I made a design here. So design just it's about to finish. So मेरो भिडियो हेर्नुस् होला, सबजना इन्जोय गर्नुस् होला यो मेरो नयाँ प्रोजेक्ट हेरेर. So मैले फिनिशिङ गर्दैछु लाइक अलिक राम्रो अट्र्याक्टिभ देखाउनको लागि हामीले यसलाई फिनिशिङ गर्नुपर्छ. फेरि एकचोटि मजाले साइडबाट फिनिशिङ गर्दै आउनुपर्छ. So it's look pretty and perfect. Finally I picked okay, I will show you everyone how my pattern looks like. So this is my patterns. This is my new pattern. Thank you so much for watching my video. Last ma ke bhanchu bhane this design is created by me and then तपाईहरु सबैलाई मेरो भिडियो मन पर्यो भने सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनुस् होला.